Good morning. Welcome back to math class. Today's math lesson that we will be doing is math lesson 7-7, which is multi-step division number stories. Now, these are number stories where you're going to be doing a couple steps in order to solve the problem. And in order to do that, we need to keep our work really organized. So this is one of those lessons where after I did the lesson, I would say, who wants to work in a small group? And I work at the front board with a big group of you, and then some go off on your own. So you really want to watch this video carefully to see what kind of work we need to do. And then I will post another video for people who really want the help that we walk through step by step on each problem. Okay, so let's look at this together. This is going to be one of those problems that we could run into. So it says, Tim and Kelly are raising money. Tim raised $117 selling 9 raffle tickets. So 9 raffle tickets in total were $117, all 9 of them if you put it together. Kelly raised $144 selling 8 fruit baskets. So 8 fruit baskets all together cost $144. So that's how much she raised. Which costs more, 1 raffle ticket or 1 fruit basket, and how much more? So I know that I have to figure out how much does 1 raffle ticket cost, how much does 1 fruit basket cost, which is more, and how much. So what I am going to do is I'm going to put Tim in blue, and he sold raffle tickets. So I'm going to do that RT. Remember how we kind of split it up? And then Kelly I put in purple, and she sold $144 for fruit basket. So I'm going to do FB. And this keeps mine organized. Everything with the raffle tickets I'm going to do over here. And any math I need to do for the fruit baskets I do over here. That way I can really keep it organized and see which is more and how much more. So let's take a look. So I know raffle tickets. Let's start here. 9 were for $117. So if I have $117 and I have to divide that by 9 because each basket there were 9 baskets. Raffle tickets. So I need to figure out how many times does 9 go into 117 because that will tell me how much 1 raffle ticket is. So I know 9 times 10 is 90, and 9 times 11 is 99, and 9 times 12 is 108. Ooh, that's pretty close. So I'm going to do 9 times 12, and I'm going to subtract 108, and that's going to give me $9 left over. Oh, that's nice, because 9 times 1 is 9. No remainder. I add this up, so my answer is $13. So 1 raffle ticket costs $13. And let me just check to see if I'm right. 13 times 9. 9 times 3 is 27. And then 9 times 10 is 90. And I get $117. I'm right. Every raffle ticket is $13. Okay. Now I have to figure out how much does 1 fruit basket cost. Well, I know she raised $144 selling 8 fruit baskets. So if I divide that by 8, that will tell me how much is 1 fruit basket. So I know 8 times 12 is 96. And that's as high as I can go. So I'm going to do that. Minus 96. So I have to borrow. 14 minus 6 is 8. I can't do that. 13 minus 9 is 4. Is 8 times anything 48, or is that as close as I can get? Oh, 8 times 6 is 48. I get a remainder of 0. And 12 plus 6 is 18. So each fruit basket is $18. Okay. Now, am I done, or do I have to keep going on? Let's go look at our question. Which costs more, a raffle ticket or a fruit basket? So I know fruit baskets are 18, raffle tickets are 13. So a fruit basket costs more. But look, there will be more than one question usually. How much more? Now I know when I hear how much more or how many more, I am going to subtract. And if I do 18, you can see that, right? Minus 13, I get 5. So how much more? $5 more. And that is today's lesson. Now, I know I didn't teach you anything new, but what you need to do today is you need to keep everything really organized. And I really recommend doing columns because you're going to be a lot of times comparing two things, showing all the work for one part in one place in another because you can compare them. Now, showing your work on the documents is really hard because it's all on computer. I really recommend getting paper and pencil, doing your work on there. And once I was done with this, I would quick take a picture. I could even hold it up to my Chromebook and insert that because you have to show work. Do not just give me an answer. I really recommend doing it paper and pencil, taking a picture of it and inserting it in. Now, if you are saying, oh my gosh, this gets very overwhelming, you're usually in the front with me, I'm going to, on the next video, put the problem on and go step by step with you. I am not going to give you the answer, but we're going to do the steps together and then you solve on your own. So figure out, would you think you need the extra help? More than welcome to join me on the next video. Do you want to try it first and then see if you want to join me? Or do you think you can do it on your own? But you must show every step of your work. All right? Have a great day and happy problem solving. Happy problem solving.